Hello and welcome back to P. Leddy Motors. So today's video is a short video on how to remove and refit the rotary light switch on any of the Volkswagen Group cars. So Volkswagen, Audi, Seat, Skoda all use this similar type of a locking mechanism on their rotary light switches. So this is the rotary light switch, very common, very recognizable light switch in any of the Volkswagen Group cars, and it is a very simple removal. So I'm just going to get in closer that you can see. You push it in and then rotate to the first point, and then your light switch comes out. It's very simple. Some people, if they want to replace and put a fog light switch in, and then refitting is as simple as push in and just wait till you hear the clicks. And that's it. So thanks for watching. If there's anything you'd like me to cover, you can put it in the comments section. Hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you next time. Thank you.